Pag talaga good Chinese food, you can't go wrong with Causeway. This is the one in Congressional. Family favorite talaga dito. And yes, we're always here for the dim sum and all other foods. Dumplings are always served hot. We ordered crab meat and corn soup. Sarap yung crab meat kasi may crab meat talaga siya. Dim sum, my favorite is always the bean curd roll, shark's fin, chicken feet, hakaw. Siksik yung mga dim sum nila. Diyan pa lang masaya na ako. For the rice, we got the yang chow fried rice. Paborito kasi. The seafood ho fan. Sobrang savory and apakadaming sahog naman talaga oh. Daming shrimp, fish fillet, veg. Basta lahat yan goods with chili sauce. Tapos may mga seasonal catch din sila. So kung gusto niyo magpaluto ng fresh seafood, meron sila sa menu. Order namin steamed lapu-lapu. Sobrang fresh din nila sa amin ng buhay. Pinakita. Tapos masarap kasi yung meat ng lapu-lapu, diba? Medyo manamis-namis. So it paired well with the light soy sauce. Tas isang malamig na Coke. 10 out of 10. Yun lang. Bye!